color, we're gonna paint the base color. Why do we need to paint the base color? Because this base color later on can be used as a selection. Okay. But now when we start painting, we're gonna paint everything except the glass on the astronaut. Yeah, we're gonna choose. Last time I choose spectra. Basically, you can do some experiment whether you like spectra or tamar. Me, when making a base color, I want to make sure the brush that I choose will create a flat opaque brush, which means there is no transparency in between. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we do this. Yeah. See, I use this one. Look at the brush that I create. It's flat, right?
Yes.
Now you make all this first. We make the outline first. We just like color the outline. Don't color in here yet. It's not necessary. Okay. See, just draw the outline, all of it. Look, if I drive this white color all the way here, like this, right? Look, I'm closing it right now, because all the white color is from here, 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 and here. So what I can do next is simply make sure we are on the layer, the base color, click, and then drop it here.
Oh.
Yeah. The hood.
Oh.
Yeah, we just like color everything now. So, create a new layer. So we name it, rename Flash. BC Flash. Yeah. First, put the BC Flash on the top of the BC All. And then you click. And then look as a clipping mask.
Clipping. Okay.
Yeah. So it will create this icon. It means whatever you draw on here, it will not pass the all.
Oh, so I can like. Oh. Okay, that's
Feel it?
nice.
You got it? Yeah. So now we start working on the head, the tail, so you can work faster, right? Okay. Now which one have you done?
I have done the boots and the gloves.
Now we need...
And the monster and the head.
Alright. Now we have to do the... Yeah. So there's the metals. Just write the BC metals. This one BC metals. Metals is like something like this one in here. Like, you know, this one. And all this glove, and then all the pads, and then this one. Okay. I think we can make a color that's a bit darker than this. Metals usually start from dark color. Okay. Now let's do the metals. So I'm using the tamar, okay, and then I lower the opacity approximately here around 25 to 70, and then the brush is a bit bigger. Now I'm doing a basic blocking, right, on the shading layer. Yeah, and the shading layer SHD is put on the top of the BC all.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Now we do this. So I'll do the first stroke. See, we do like this roughly. So we want the texture looking one, right? The one that makes it look nice. Okay, now I'm gonna work on the eyes, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, let me teach you something cool. Then this is the reason why we do this. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go to the new layer. On the top of the shading layer, add the plus button in here nih. Yeah. And then you can name it, rename, and type in color. And on the letter N you type. This is normal right now. On the bottom one, find color. This one. And then as usual, clipping mask down always, right? Let's do this one first, yeah. I've been wanting to do this part orange. I'll put this orange,
Oh, you do an orange.
a bright orange. I'll increase the size of the brush. So first I will choose the darker one in here, and then I make it darker. Then I add a bit in here. It will emphasize on the metals even more. Makes it look more like metals. So I create a new layers now. I name it the helmet base color, yeah. But this time I'm not gonna do it in gray. I'm gonna color it right away. Round brush for base color. It always look nice. Yeah. There you go. Ta-da!
Wow.
It's now green.
Green.
Look, I will turn this, the end, and I will lower the opacity. Make it looks a bit like this. See? I'm just gonna choose one color that is a bit dark. So start with the shading.